I wonder, Courtney's report coupled with some of those stats that we just laid out, is there going to be a scenario now where American consumers markedly downshift their spending, or is this holiday shopping season going to just kind of trend the way it always has, which is with more spending just in tune with what people are making?
The spend is being very cautious from the consumer overall, and it's been more notable in the second half of the year, and that I think will continue. We saw some of that during Black Friday, and we do feel that trend will continue into the holiday season. Again, you know, it's a tough environment for the consumer, and they are spacing out what they're buying for. So we did see that pull forward with promotions in early October. It's a promotion environment. I do like to stress it's been promotional. However, it hasn't been deep promotions because we don't have too much inventory out there. So the promotions have been mostly 20 to 30%. Yesterday, looking at Thanksgiving, it had messages of up to 50%, and it was already Black Friday. We saw some of the retailers do actual Black Friday sales earlier in the week. So I imagine that will stay for today. But when you look into the fine print, it's up to 50% with 20 to 30. Still within some categories that the consumer is shopping. So the ones as were mentioned, TVs, yes, electronics aren't necessarily a strong category, so we will see higher discounts up to 50, 60, 70. Also with home furniture, again, those categories that are not strong, we'll put those out, try to get that move. But the categories that are of interest, so outdoor beauty, we will see minimal discounting, and again, really to get that consumer to come in and shop for what they might be interested in.
What types of retailers are the ones that are best positioned for the current environment with the consumer right now, as opposed to ones who may not be able to capture as many of those consumer dollars this holiday season?
Yeah, so I would say anything that is focused on outdoor. You know, the consumer is very interested now in wellness. That lifestyle has changed. So if you think of running, trail running, golf, those sort of activities, those retailers, so you can think of Dick's Sporting Goods, the athletic companies, so also Nike, On Running, Hoka with Deckers Group will do very well, UGG included. And then you'll also see beauty category do very well. So we do think Ulta has a great advantage to that. The consumer, again, it's an easy purchase and makes you quite happy for yourself. So it's an indulgence on that. And also for who you're shopping for. I think the skin category still has a lot of innovation within beauty. So again, that also falls into wellness. So again, anything wellness, well-positioned.
Well, what's interesting about this right now as well is I spoke to a manager at a local jewelry shop that's very discretionary. One of the things that she pointed out was that even some of their best clients are not exactly kind of knocking the doors down, trying to get at stuff this time around. Is it in your research playing out as well that even the luxury side of the consumer is starting to perhaps show a little bit of a sign of perhaps being more conservative this time around?
Yeah, so it's very interesting to talk about luxury because there is, I think, a divide you have to look at. So if you take Nordstrom, for instance, they've been having trouble with that, but that's a lot of the entry price points for luxury. So that's what's really been suffering. And that consumer tends to shop 2 to 4 times a day to splurge for them, or sorry, not a day, a year. And now they're the ones who are trading down. Now, when you have true luxury, so if you think of the figures we've seen from Hermes or LVMH, that is true luxury, and that consumer is still spending. And there's been a lot of changes of the way luxury runs their business. So we're still seeing that to be a positive category. However, entry level is, I think, what we need to be concerned about, and that's the trade down. So off price, there you go. That's another category to be, an A+ for the holiday.